In front of me is OPPO A17 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose System Settings. After that, you need to click on Keyboard and Input Method, Gboard, and finally Text Correction. Lastly, just scroll down and click on this switcher next to Auto Correction. As you can see, after that, automatic text correction is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!